My people, now good morning. Please, guys, Mona join, okay? May we listen to the video where Don Ekia do yesterday. Don Ekia no Ekia kere no yamukbe by Ekia some time ago. Yewiye gyoy. Atinya evagoing. Mona call me these two Miss Quen. These two Miss Quen. What's young me, my people? How na day? Good morning. Good morning. Wanna join this video? Let's educate these two unsettling amunda in the social media. Let's educate them a little. Yesterday, my people, as I just round up with that video, I'm supposed to still come back to live video, but I just can't go through. Okay, I follow my friends, go hang out, we go enjoy ourselves. All right. So now when I just stay day free, now be this. So let's run this video. Now maybe the real bear we did the social media. When it comes to saga, more the real obewe, you go baby winere. Once I get in winere, even though na doctor appointment, I will cancel them. Even though na doctor appointment, I go cancel them. Talk less of when it comes to be waiting can consign me, and I will do any measure. Isha. If I don't feel call shake grant for my own matter, which person matter I want shake grant for? They make it be na they will need me about both rich and poor. They will need me about if not be only one person why I know say yes, she love me genuinely. The rest waiting I see for inside. If they conspire since to betray me for under 1 minute, they know the reason I say this girl was once a good person. Inyagio any and then now ni yanti wesi. The normal okay madam overnight, which I not really care. Thanks for joining, my lady. If you know what, thanks for joining. Good morning. Please, my people, Mona share this video. I want to listen to video what Bobo Pikin do yesterday. Yeah? Like I said, I told you guys, say, he children for the lies where he lie. Yeah, I'm a bug baby. And Ebony amu baby. Not be say joke. Not be say rake. Not be say boast. Grand when you otoniana mwe bogbian. Imi ake ebiri ove. Don't rat. I took wera o bono. Wera o bono era bere. Era was a wetopu we what bo we he. Imi kamu wena we. Eke ni miana mwe bogbi we. Ebiri ove. Iha koyiwa. Ebiri ove. Iha koyiwa. Ya ikoyiwa ne. Every time. Every month. Iha kolebe. Anything he really like ya prophesy you win. He said, Queen Ami, they put like for your thank you, mama. Thank you, if you know. Thank you. Thank you, my personal person. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Your support, the love. When I miss it, they share the video, okay? One, I think what we are boking. Era bego de. Waka bowa wina ni wa. Mi aka mwewe. E mi no siye. Mi mena yo boss do tawe. Aye bo gebo. Mi aka mwewe. A star afiye weriye. A destiny afiye weriye. Ume mi rokpa. Ovi okan ke ofin. When we need tama wena. You think you can come online to lie? Why the lies? Say the truth. Talk the truth. You know nobody they feed you. You too, you know they feed anyway. Might they feed the good for better feed them. But why the lies? I see video where you do yesterday. I the night I tell wash and finish. Because I was very busy. Now, no say me. If I ready to do saga, once I finish my video, I dey go around the whole platform. any slight post or video or one thing, when I know say I go get interest for, I go pick her immediately because it's all about me. And so I say it resemble me, I go pick her. Metamwa ina wa menwa sina. Imate oni mue. But for you to think you can use me to do a scapegoat, nothing ye go. Because you admire page you wear. Then ye join no raw, ye go bare the same society. And wa ye joy don't prince or ten wahin. Why you a conspiracy in a war? Wana ido atavi bay. Agbo buwa. Akbo humbuwa. Tuwa ohuwa. Ebonu wali ohori no yatie. Otemete. Osweni eboni. I'll go see whether I will remember that voice note. Ebonu wawenu oni yatie. And that native daughter was a friend to my brother. Abu wa my wawa boy and the Nigerian association. You don't know they have association. Wa swenye bo kekan. Una swenye bo matene we. So a boy na not tene on manonya boni. Otime ove tamime we. Ime bege waga silu pangolo ye a video Facebook. Yan wayati e bo me mame ze yu wa erunda. Ama we mi odo, I dam mi odo. Nye ti oti mene. Nya woti me guane. After oya mwebo temena tiebe. Ona we nyano muta. Ina woke. Ona we gebonu koni yatie. Ona sweni oma no nye boni. Ona we tamame we ave keva tinye. Ge. Ona we ni tema tamanyi. Ona we my vakba. Ore mana. Ona we ni tema tamanyi. Ona we eni no huo na tahiama. Nyewi nyegiri gome. Mene do agbinye. Niye tambe ma. Dunda a mwe bogboma. Ana mona gboma. Onaka gboma. Otemena we ni tema tamanyi. We di megeli we gbe veri wa. Ina we me. Na we brother ma we gbe veri oni. O wusho. Ina we ma we gbe veri oni. O woke. Okay. For my brother to call me to ask me that question, I know what my brother will do. I know the kind of family where I come from. Don't play. We might not be rich, but when it comes to a ball, just leave her for us. Now me know they do they pack those things, they cover face, when they use her, they do say no. If I can't find your trouble. You go do what you want to do. Even though you go swear for me, I not get anything to do. I not feel even back and come off for body. Thanks for joining my lady, Emata. I not feel even back and come off for body. I not feel do anything about her because why? Now me do you bad. But you see when I'm not wrong, you want to drag me physically and spiritually. You are playing with your own self. Wa edak bowe e uyaku. No be joke. No be say talk. No be say rake. You are playing with your future. Why am I saying all these things? Because of Don't Praise. Don't Praise. Otime kahate mwe bogbuwe. Epishian we viola dianvere ni. Otime akate swa ban yu wenye. Ado miege bana uki ori lowe. E family ma mwe bore gbowan. Uki e ma mu gbowan uki. Wari agbon. Igbagwe ninu wari agbon. Ole lwere. Uki. Even say children will come and inherit it. Why 70 years? Why yoyowa? Why 40 years? Why yoyowa? Why hiarugbo? Why yo biegbe? Why ne biegbe? Oni uki. Ura wa yo toveri ama. U ya san yu wa. U te wes mi pu no. oni uki. Amwe bwe, ami oboma wo. Ave muwe yogo enwe. No, uki or logo. Awe bona mu bwe. Nari anusi, wa ize zo. Ami otoe e bwe. Ma oge boni, e boni ma mu boma. O bonu we ya we. Ohwo no buwe, ohwo nuwe mai. Ohwo no tami me we good money. Me ya re ogo. Because in yon. A life in an agenda, nobody is perfect. Ami soni wagwa toge. Inya wabi awesi. Ami meso nere wese, but eti toge. Ami meso ewi yo bonoma nyori ne yo bose. Ami meso wari nerie wabe noenye nwe. E munguga ami wagbona. But ogo hona ime ewe ohona awe good money uyage ogo. Then oge seken waje wanima evene anything yasunu. The only advice you people can give this lady, wawe no tieba, wawe no wonona, wawe no de nene police station, wawe no die no pa. With no tangible or reasonable evidence. Wana gele wafi webe no yatamu, wane gele yasun, emata. Wana suwa yenevu. Make I see whether I will remember the name of the juju where my brother said they go swear. Me no, because me I not even the Nigeria talk less or say or me or tami me or we get bono no honi yatie. Cause or wo honi or made the mistake. E boni e bo me kweku. E boni e bo me kweku. Get what it call and they come. And the boni Inya manave ya senyo. Inya manave ya senye boni. Inya mana dictate fast. Niya ve ladian, niya joe. Niya ya wemi. Niya ya senye boni. My people. Evenje. Wa muyo mwari eki. Evenje. Wa ada do masigo. Na de game so evenje wa dadi yo nwari eki even ave age wa aro le do masigo because I have said all these things times without number o ma gu wa die o ma atema gbon ma wa o ma na atema ta ma wa fi we I get weti o wada wo do ma wa na was so special e ba we ulelo ma was we only big men friends in me big women friends. Do you know how many? Abedo aka na we afianya gbegbe. Abedo aka 1 2 3 4. You understand? Wana ko suwae. Wani mai ne bo evie. Wani mai ne bo gwa. Wani mai na tiebo. Wana suwae. They come. My people, make I listen to the name where my brother called her that juju. Mona wait to. Mona mi share o. Mona mi share o. Mona mi share. I don't listen to the voice note. Boni ohan gbe Don Prince. Boni no woni ya tie ni. Wa ni gba we conspiracy ni. Boni hian gbuwa. Boni ohian gbuwa. No be joko. Uwa manarede ya boni gbuwa niya. Nuwa ya zo boni gie. Why we matter? Ita. Wa be jemere. Wo sege. Boni. Emine boni gi wase. Oe ore. Udo bama ore. Wani bare ni ogwo wa soto wa ya wa no mo bowo no wa mo bowo boni gbo wa di ni Ebony. Ogbu wadine. They come. And people I'll soon hear the place. And one may I call the name of the juju for now. Boni aya tie ne gbiyan. Ati e boni o ma ese too mercy. E gbas bo sariyan pakbo. More as he coming to follow. More. I just they laugh. Okay, take go. I why they laugh because of this thing. They come and say, okay, take go one. Why ya ye ko wa mama? Ya amu ebo. Na igo kwoni. E wa onu wa gbezi en wa e. Igogo no guname. Igogo no guname, my people. Now they say they go swear. Una they hear? I don't know whether I call and where, but according to Igogo no guname. Now this, now my brother say they go swear. Hey, I they tell una say, aye bo get bo. Una know they hear word. We are me la video na do time we am a pastor. Abu we fi we ni me na la video do atem ata ute we gwa tori. Abu we te we atori. Ukpe me ki andi eni evo. Mwe no se ni na tori. Because we ni meji ina offend oma ni na tie bomi to se. Ebony aya tie igogo no guname na they say that they call am. Igogo no guname because they get money. Ina ya tie bo when you know that you are guilty. Why will you do that? Who you want to impress? Who you want to impress? People when see they do native doctor, may they go check the history of that juju. Igogo no guname. I don't know whether I call him, but now waiting my brother call him. My brother is a badass obo. This one not be say obo. Era or way obo. He may not get shirai way big like us. I don't fear bo. I don't bale. So kon le randiri. I don't fear wo gwan do ya befen bosipa no gbemi ya yo. My brother is not like that. If you see my brother, or you gifo. But if he tell you say, give me nana, if you feel your stand for the front, you go tell you say, give me. No be say he don't even know you before. He go tell you say, name nana yasu, yasisa. If you just say yasisa, you don't need to give a shishi. You know, you not go tell you say, come give me 2 naira. Oh, yasisa. At the ring road, you'll see all those beggars for them. If na Kasan, go share for them. If na Loka, go share for them. Now, so it they operate. People know. That is why it's where my brother know people. When they say no people, he know people. Oh, no man. Now, so people still know. When me I don't praise God, on your swap ban for her to even bring a picture come aside. Oui, ya moi aimé ton prix, ya mu gya zero so. Ya mu gya ma babe mani me kwe vave ya. Oui, mo ri zolo ko ya ka ban yo hun. Ami tell am say, brother de buko. Ejo. Social media no. Ve no tu ri a tu lele. Ya wa ve gu oho ye gbe no he. Ya ve gu oho ye gbe no he. And he can still later find out say my own grandfather na teach gbogbo work. My own grandfather, yon ma gbogbo we na ya fi ya yon ma gbogbo we na ya we boy. Don't please, I've been a don rat, I've been a don chicken. Then you think you can do something to a person of my personality, both physical and spiritual? Or who you were or to me? Or him you were or to me. Or see when my brother can't call me, can't tell me that time say, tell me, say don't prince ya sa guy or to me no. And so she can't tell. I be idiot na be betray dana udana. They be my ate wana do we benai. Now he can't describe the papa for me. as he can't describe the papa bobo na apprentice no vehicle le ran liri. Now I tell my brother, I say, okay. Because my brother tell me, say, you know, good way we drag ourselves. Now say, I me now say, the praise I owe. Where you can get, because of say, waiting happen. All of you see everything where it happen for this social media. They plan so hard to make sure say investor enter his house. I will say, they restrict investor for live video for almost 1 week. A bit 2 weeks. Almost 1 week. Now even me with investor wife married to live video you hoy. Una don't forget. For don't priest conspiracy with the where they control say the meeting where the investor they say investor gossip he meeting where he day for day. They can't carry those audio where vie compte the player. No be vie get that video. Et don't priest or vie recording ya give ye. Where vie compte the player. Why was he doing all those things to bring a no get? The same a no get platform now when you go they shamelessly they go they sit down. They say he gonna quit that show. Okay, they too will succeed where I'm with platform in Boto. Maybe that's the con restrict investor that I say no con live video for some time until they investigate this matter. Who will get succeed when I'm with platform in Boto? They can wear in a attention my disgrace way. They can wear him wear a my disgrace in a bola we be like me like bedam kere be to priest. Why him with frustration we are you people are who are. Et investor man why? You know you people. Or see or get investor will let you get or get 10% in. That is the truth. I know say not the year. The play they play with you now. Now 10% play. Because he know the plan. Ama why saga. Any saga no good ye bera boundary when wana zo igo rene wana zigo ne kwa. Ama mi no wama just to bring it down. Or it's a 6 months ya. Et that's a platform. Et où est depend yi nuana me belikian e. Ne wemu o bogbuwe. Can't you build your platform? Can't you build your platform? My people, the lie we don't priest lie say that woman they pay my rent. That's why I want to play a video. Make una listen. When somebody, that person will go give her that comment, say, Queen say give you 24 hours to bring her those receipts. If you not bring her come, she says she go swear for your children. Or when my play, I may not be like say, and they use man to they talk. It don't please when he made it, they go out. He said, me not call him for saga. You where you call me for saga. Why we your team a saga? We're marrying a quid bomb blastic somebody. Who will it me way where my team a saga? Itam wa for not to even involve me. A matter na. Ya he guy. Ya he saga you wabo. Wabiye Joe say no confirm the matter the social media na ogun gbeluwa why pay jizwa why pay tasia who na lawyer to for this media why serve anybody me I don't serve people I don't pay my dues on this and those cyberspace. Thanks for joining Bella God. I've paid my dues on this cyberspace. Ya davine in your boy your wire davine e boy David rock by soon where pay dues where when a betrayer, when no see you give a koto, when no good platform will give away. Do you have a good name on this media? A video may have advice where my beggar may show you know there. Go and watch that video. It may me a vision where who were video ni. In a when investor by a meet you one investor akba don't please women in a lamity. When any na yala emaga ikwehengu wore mitini ya tegbe lao. Oge mata. Oge ta. Me mame tamu we severio. Ina when we know where investor ya by a meeting you are going to the next person who are ya the next who can ya solo man who we the same meeting. Gele o ma se investor pa ma se 2 weeks. Una so asaga ake. Nu wa ke to gbu e wa gun. No gun gbu e wa gun. Ibate China no wade no yake una la jakuwe ko ovi yoba ni you know say woman talk to woman understand ye dead over u big down ya agbeya o e kin ori kon no stage we ko ya mu je ladian you don't know me mo FBI social media na go and ask me o FBI social media again imi amuje ya yerigba iri agolowo ebisugu ya gbalije do mufuwa. But they say a social media na. Somebody say, let's say, quick, calm down. Hey, where did the stress? Where did the what stress? Somebody now our exercise. Our sound, your sound is very important. Because all those type of person, we code, now you need to the sweat. Very important. Yeah, one more for the banner. Il a betri agbame, be ale salu ya weto me. Iya weto me, no die start day. Iya here when me enjoy start ya yebe popori ya yebe dize ya yebe jukmista ime wa wista when we Christmas ya yebe jukmista. But you see don't praise a mama joy iya wa menya here. Yes. Yeah, but on that before when me our video today here where ya video ya me wa bu okoni ote ya ze me ibe gun we yo because he make it ni here a heart of a rest. Or see a me where we are calm down. But I'm free like a bird. I don't please. Awa bijou abagbon. Ogun bijou e. They no daughter mommy. E no sense you no woman no daughter. You want by do say no they see my saga don't please. Now you they fed the enter my platform if I dey life. Now you they fed they enter my platform if I dey life. You put the form say you know they see my video. You know they see my video. E kita channel. When not like the saga don't please me like no say nak we na we picture where you know wa bera wa bijou. We for Latin na do gwan we street here ogie silo ladian wa bun we wa gbon ogun agbo e Iyejo na betrayer na Judas of our time. Iyejo is a betrayer from the pit of hell. Iyejo ni no ho ani owo inu wa re ni azangban zen no na junje society nu la adona mi an pe ma kweredo. So my people, let's listen. And please guys, a justice in here seeking is for their own selfish interest. On the real justice. Even the woman family. Even the woman is a Don Prince now. Our own beautiful queen. Okay, Don Prince now your own. Don Prince remain my enemy to the end of this social media. I no like him. If you not like him, go and tell him to work on himself. He's a greedy and a useless. Oma greedy be man like it. Oma greedy be. If man like it, or man no as in see what the Don Prince do now. After he tried to carry investor go his ass for this media where all of us see. After he tried to carry investor, claim he saying they fight for Monica. He do all those things finish. He not even reach 4 months. He go back to that same platform. He go back to that same platform. I know how many times Don Prince don't try to do saga, to do video, to cause quarrel between Querita and investor. I know how many times. He go say he want to talk for matter. I remember matter where he talk between Yore and Blessing CEO and he can't put himself, put investor for there. He want to talk. He say Querita, they always they support. I call the look at. If investor call into that platform because me that I be already even the verse. But when investor come call into that platform, investor talk maturely. Because maybe na that day, the whole saga for even start. Who for Kosan? Now this a Don Prince na wa bera wa bijewa. Na him for Kosan. He do that video to cause problem. He want come talk, he come write and come and say, as he comes he say, Querita with investor, like people come they say, hey, people come even analyze the video. People come they analyze the video, they go say, hey, they go so far to even Monica people carry out. Querita with this one go so far to Querita investor go so far to. He can't post her, say, na he reach to cause quarrel between two presenters. That is the reason why, even because of that one, for her to get that kind of spirit, he no go ever for his life come close to me. Me, if I hate person, I hate you forever and ever. Forever and ever. Even maybe I feel not get you for my though. I feel not the if you like kick out, you not go send enter my nose. If you like do party, invite the whole world, you not go see me there. If back benway forever. That's the kind of person I am. That is why I hardly offend people. Eh, Maya offend those. If to say na me, things when you do investor. If to say na me do investor, that kind of thing. My people, shame not go even let me enter investor platform again. Even if I need that beggar for the old media, shame me, gune lava. Person where you carry mama go loco how many times? Loco. For something where we say, he no even offend you. He no look for your trouble. Why am I, people go say, Queen, why are you always talking about investor? Because I wait to make the priest the verse for me be that. He say me na insist, me no con join a beat investor. He don't talk, he even report me to my own brother, Papa. Which he know. Me and he know. He reports me to my brother. I have the evidence. When they talk, say, me will be sister. Me go to join somebody, they beat her. Me go to join person where they do bad, they beat her. My brother come tell me, say, why me they do that? Now tell my brother, say, don't preach on down on the social media, no other person. He said me, they support bad people. Now tell her, say, now you be the bad people for social media. The only thing I can do for you is not to insult you. But don't even cross my path. Face where you face. Everybody, they face where you face. We can never be friends. He wanted me to be close to him. Made me with a call they do when she things as him with Mama Joy, they fly so. And now with all this. All this. There are some people where you go, they follow waka. Where is the committee to the estate where you can ever soon, and one give you battle as if you gamma, vio do vie yaku where here away. There are some people you me go with now, so you will take a drink. Me, I don't need that. I don't need that. And now where no so jina, ne vena la like be. Ona is shamelessly like that. Now queen, the woman say not forgive me. Now me go forgive her. Now me, I don't even need that forgiveness. What am I going to do? Now me go forgive her. For what did she do me? For betraying me. Now she begged me to call her my godmom. To support her. I do and finish now. She still come online. When people they use her and drag me all this year, she not talk. She can't see come online because they say, me they a queen, when want me a queen. Oh my God, so mommy. When make me go even change my platform to Queen Mommy Talk Show. Now don't forget. But for Isa house, now she begged me to come and call her mommy. Not be even said they call her the mommy, so it was on social media when I tell they fight for this woman. When I tell they tell people, why not the saga my grandmother? Why not the saga mama? Una they mad, una be bad people, una be this. Now she come talk for live video. Whereas she begged me, says, may I call the saga? Okay, she not tell me, say, make me call the fight for her. Why did she agree with me to come and call her mommy outside? Why? You don't care if you and the person isn't really good. I really love that about you. Thank you, my person. Thanks for joining, Mama. Love, thanks for joining. Una they get me. She do the tea finish now. Now the talk say, Queen, una the crest. Another truth where they said on Prince video. Mama Joy do one yesterday now. Emma Talo Dory. Another one does come for you. And I make me go bring this video. Come. Make her play and for now. Make her see where it first. Make nobody follow them. Do their justice where they do. So let only them do their justice. The family talk yesterday. The brother wife talk yesterday for TikTok. The brother wife said nobody sent any presenter message. The only thing now the family they request for anybody where the woman give money, where he shop the woman money, you not talk and come outside. Nobody here say you shop that woman money or who will not book money. Or can bell or money. Now that's where that woman come. Now the family come they sue now. And that's where goes to Mama Ego brother. Ego koni ya mugu and ovie ya latia. Then with other presenters, where you know say they shop this woman money, they call the form say amami evunume, inya call your bulk you know. The woman say funa not to come out. Or who will not book will not have book. The video day. I go so they play the video. Thank God say even before we call every day. If you buy me slippers, I don't say buy me slippers. If he anything do for me, I don't already use and sing. Okay, me no even get problem with all those ones. Wait. Man, seriously. Wait. I don't want to go where for talk about me. I want more to listen.
You will not say, you will regret what you make.
My mama kept you they talk, so I want my hear where they talk my own.
I don't want to not get people with the support them. All these presenters with the see so they get one or person with the support them for corner, with the bless them with money or anything. They.
Why you now can't make I will start to the analyze for Yawa Bijou Awagun? Una hear what he talk for them. He say he no get any presenter for this live video where nobody they support. Where no get who they give them, who they bless them for corner. So why my own man can't they prepare all these people? Why? The veil will lie be mama with your bonnet quick make I on my Bluetooth. Thank God I charged yesterday. Nione. I do not go and go
Bluetooth mode.
Me no be where we are ya do be we are ya. It is if they talk I go they look you. Ogun agbera gbe you e. Ah wa biju abagun. Wait. You call the talk say me. I even say make I keep mute because I know say if I hold on. Why team a frank or bokba or obeva or even half leg why team? Una no go fit. Frank now don't they turn the table now. Momo I was war. See useless people now wait come out for justice. A Frank they turn table around there now. Frank already they put her for their head. Say now they buy the woman. But no. Mama mi tene buwa for na wa mi otoma. I can't be for nana. Somebody this we say I verse for Don Prince for mentioning your name. He no agree talk how much the woman give out. Na yena wa we birthday na we mi ya na. They do birthday for her, do this one for her. Yema toge he get interest or what they do for queen. A queenie. The woman give me something. I always talk her. Before person come me say ask, can't tell me say not be you born me. They tell me say make I can't be your picking. Me I can't tell me they say I be your picking. And thank God they don't connect. And you say why you not talk what it concourse, what it reach there?
See, Edo people are few. I call the talk truth.
Now they talk. Wait a matter no good.
They tell me say Edo people are few. Call the talk.
More listen to that.
I give me no temata. I give me no temata. Ewa tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata. Ewa tagiwa logo. Ewa tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata.
Okay.
You bully this woman to pa. Now you want to talk for Mama Joy.
Not be only Mama Joy head he put on. Frank also put on for your own head. Or who wa joy. Or who wa gbo. And if they say make the trace and where, na truth it talk. Yes. This woman there with us for how many years? She have been watching saga. The saga where Frank saga, I don't reach the one where he veer with attitude beat her. Why she not by that time? Because we know they send her those videos. We know they send her those videos. She know they wash her. Even when she'll call me say somebody, I'll tell her, I say, no wash. I will go and watch the video for you. Now what I tell her that time? If she tell me say queen, I'm not watching my baba now. Yeah, we viet here, but me will do. Iwe worry. Ya wa do wash ya worry. Ya wash view. Ya do analyze the bunny reply that the work book where wash. Oh okay, queen ya ti we be. She will confess her work. Me now when she go tell me go wash view. Me why call la YouTube be why ya refi me wa. It's a queen, why you come they join Frank Omonzo Undana? Where Frank Omonzo Undana they always they insult you for his live video all the time. I know they join Frank, my lady. I know they join Frank, but I'm saying the truth of what happened. You understand? I know they join Frank. Why? Because I not even involved for this matter. I not even top put. The reason why made the top put, if people when me even say okay. Now we or maybe okay fine. All of us want investigate what by this woman. They can't say they won't use me to do a scapegoat. I will carry the bitter truth where they don't want hear. I go put her for their head. I'm not trying to defend. Me and Frank not be friend. And we not go still be friend. Yes, it go day my day. Me and I not be friend. But you see these people, for they to come outside to think they can use a woman of my personality to come and use me to do scapegoat, take over money where they mama go account, mama go brother account, make that money no come outside. Make people not know because say that they benefit from the boy. The boy now they admit me. I go, you see that bitter truth? I go put ham for their head. He got kind, yo. And many niya we ya see. He make ya mwe. Yes, also palo mami wo de day. Ori to enye kwa roven. Edi a we ya say. Then yana to tie yana we. Yana do bring a justice. No one ya do a go move. One ya my own my henania. I did my own jejeje. I mind my business. Eti gwa we saga. Forget say I sit down. I carry camera. I can be displaying, jumping up and down. What one? He got your body. No, he am say he can't waste energy. Me young. But anyway, I go position a camera. Me na area ya me. And many ya winya can see. He make hanga mwe. Because that's your money. The problem in me. If they for no you put my name. Because really, the woman not put my name. That is the truth. A Don Prince, or the enemy yo. A Don Prince, or the enemy yo. Imi lema kame Don Prince iwe. Don Prince. And many, we are see the social media na. Many queen, ti ha mwe. And many decanto, or decanto da. When we equito show. Wabera. Do you know why people love me on this media? Do you know why people support me on this media? Do you know why I've been so useful to a lot of people on this media, both rich and poor? Because I'm a woman of decency. I know the lie for person head. I don't do my saga with lies. Oh, when I we hear your see Morocco and is already. Why don't you me with scapegoats? Imi aje we emi aya pion wo hun la wa. I for not even talk for this matter because I for the look una. As soon as they drag Frank with the drag una they do na justice, I will just the look una. But for you to think where I the enemy yoni, where you I don't where even if there will be a justice, it will come from another better person platform where not go call my name. Only award anyway yo. Iwa bi ariwa ya gbeke a justice in your bofo. Or for what thinking. Iya gbeke a justice in your bo. When you agbe iwa bi jo bona. Because I already know that. Wa bi joy. Uwa igo no ti go ganuwa. Igo no wona mu ya kanto ti go. No we ya love in Nigeria. Ironi wama ona miotoe. The one are supposed to they fight a back. Now say they vomit that money, may they bring that money come aside. You not because say na that go brother be your admin. Agbonuna gbonu. Then mama joy. No sungu. Igo gogoro na you kosamo. Ide ya ize mowa. A queen of before is not a queen of now. My fans, thank God you guys know. All my lovers, anybody will come love me. Be you anybody fans. I know say other people fancy the way they like me. May I tell una know say I promise you and say I will not go and look for problem. I will go find trouble. That was what I promised you guys. For these people to blaspheme me, call my name for platform, they lie on me. Now dear therefore call my problem. And the problem in me now. Iya no kejini motinya. Yeah, no ke Ginny Motian. Because if it was me, I will not do that today. Kenoya yo kwani we gomoda o. Kenoya wotin o. Kenoya obiere o. If it was me, I will not do that today. For them to do it to me. I don't need to call the patient, no. I a basani. Yeah, they very young. Don't know as it be. I know they forgive. I know they too, they explain. No. If you do me something, I'll just do you back. Make you know as it be for body. Now, so my life, and I be this one. Hey, don't please give me away. Hey, Queenie, Yemagumegwan. Umagumegwan. Ibieka. I just the laugh. More listen to the guys.
Ije kevi wa hanga mina mabio wa. Iri we kevi ke no joku wa ya moya no wa bie wa hanga mina mabio wa wo bie.
Now see why they swear for children. This now the series why they swear for Don Prince children. Because Don Prince na person where they cause children. Don Prince na person where they swear for children. Don Prince na person where they saga children. Also, ni me na we more about we here, my people. Ni aya work on Friday, because tomorrow we'll get program because of this Easter Jesus. Because of Easter Jesus. Where Easter Jesus? Why una know Easter? My program you know we bewa we. Eva ya ayi jirigban awolowo etatache o igboho ya se gbapoko ya blende ya wa ya misemi bani pakwe ni aya mi ya ko esta mi avio me le wadu ke adwa okun mi o esta wa no ya collect imami ni ya with your name ave I use and bless other people make they live where they go and where they run. He said they plan to put everything on you, but God no agree. Thank you, Mama Chelsea. And that person called the terminal say, "Why? I know they support Frank. If to say they can succeed, so label me wait here and not be call. My lady say, good morning, Queen, my darling. I told you the day of forget about my sister, the my soonest. Any person that eat or had abuse money and refuse to say it out will face the consequences. Thank you. Okay, our sister don't come. Thanks for joining, my darling. I know person where they comment so. Our sister don't come. This one, our sister where they say they call them. This one, you don't worry. Please ignore those people. Okay? Now, sister be this. Yes, now sister get this account. Even before this whole issue. Sorry, my love for your loss, okay? Sorry. And life, you know, say now so life be, and God knows best. You understand? And the man and the one bobo, tiya mo so welele. Ogie avasi na we present us in the no. Ogo da boni awe no ya tie no. Veni que no se de saga girl and a Don Prince always video no honey wash. Una go listen just now. A Don Prince always video no honey wash. O honey mate via wash Frank. O honey mate abere video de Frank you. A Don Prince a Frank where the video on the 7. A Don Prince now analyze it on the 6. A mina sum on the 5. Now Frank they want put everything for in here. He said, "Quick, please stand for truth. The truth you are saying on your platform. That is why you have yes, fan base. Thank you. When the fan base never say, oh, you carry my people, you know who God will bless now. As it do not they use me to they play. I really appreciate. He said, "Quick, please forgive Becky, since you were no longer the goddaughter of Abia you were before her by please, my lady. May I have anything with a batty Becky? I know the verse of Becky. I know the verse of her, but I just need boundaries. I don't want to be close to her again. O dokpa make we diyan we Don Prince because if you know the Don Prince obo, e ore Becky obo. If your payan eva viohan vinye. So I don't want. I know they close to all those kind of people. People when I know say man safety is not. That is I know they safe when I dey around them. Is either they would record me or they would plan evil about me for back or before person go even buy me for back. They not go fit tell me. You and person they come before the person go they carry juju they swear they do everything. Why you not tell me say Queen see oh? Why you not tell me? You dead there you sit down there. Wait your academy where they go Queen who we ganyogi me. We no wait a buwa sime. Who wait ya anyo we Queen. After rangi fiania. Oni mene Queen. Aye boge bobo ven wanso huwa ya. O si evenje wa handele yo talk wa manado aka. Even wa woku ven wa woku nae. Evenje wa do adele yo talk by venage veno sipa loke zinki degboto. Evenje wa do adele.
Itamu wa with ate we are very abewa. Meaka me ime ya digi di kafi wa yu wene apere wa ya mu picha pe wa ya oni karu
yo bagunwe nu weke saga enene Frankie umaye mo yidi nu ke saga Frankie ye twin we iguma ye vio yidi we no ma ti egbin na negbo e du were more on a yard winner, very claim because a property ra, the Indian went on prince in Bell. Property ra was a bo. A property ra. O man lao, ogu. O man lao, ogu. O man lao, ogu. We are a mere fiat bois. E twe yani ke inya cast we yegbe monu gbogbo biere inya cast we fo ni mo hotel ni mo gedege vi yan de nu nu gbe o mete gbon o family we family frank ye din wa gbe unu na o je unu oti a obo unu we na oti a obo ma bo gba yan gun bo te degbe ma so ya ma yu ohun un va wa gun tan
we gbone iya wa
oh
okaru egbo na wa egbo abi owo any way wa ri ajo wa ke ga mi na mi o in a bad way wa ke ga mi na mi o wie wa ke ga mi na mi wa van wa ke ga mi na mi wa son evil set of people see music where Atiti go release 3 days ago abi 2 days ago for this woman see music
yeah even one ni be platform e me gbe o okay, are you?
Imagine now almost a video where they play so next man they watch with it back almost of the saga and see the babasu
yeah na she know me that one just follow that place me that one just do where she
see the babasu EJ Kevi, but we were not Jonah. Or you bullying.
We are for thought to me. Gunwe. The picture Kevi kere Facebook or message 2 years in a 1 year fian boy. You just go work when me pass a class. Emon web of Filak. Gunwe. Emon be of Filak.
Oh, we were not Jonah Yak, but Kevi.
Oh, I define we for thought.
Y'all again Agbe.
Bless
you. Kevi. Y'all again Agbe to the estate. Who me, I don't.
I mean, so ya going because
they be better fans. Small one will be said they not get brain. Big presenter or any who shall be big presenter. Oh, presenter shall be not be even one. If you like to come out today, you must say person, see person who they call you.
Sure.
Go see they bless you. Don't be like they tell you now. Nobody will turn the truth. This woman is a heart of gold. That is why most will see opportunity.
Oh, it's for Bono a greediness is bewa.
That is why
we are most see
opportunity they finish this money.
After we don't do this general saga finish.
You know,
my people. After we don't do all this saga, because me now, I want me Mama Ego brother pack all the property that belongs to this woman. Come out. I want me pack and come out. Now they send they don't priest, may they come they distract presenters. May we not get focus. After Mama Ego brother don't return the whole, I know what that woman wants. She's a billionaire, not even millionaire. All the property where she get for Lagos, the ones with family don't even know. When me their wealth, or Tiego, or a boy, or we're gonna work a frank, or we're gonna work a frank. I can't talk Tiego, and Okona Vigoji. We need all those. If the family don't confirm, say yes. Just say go where? Go reach the grass where even grow for the front of the compound or any property or the land where Mama Ego brother buy for this one. Say they don't pack everything. Ya say babo feni rubabe satini. Iyan claim me yadni. Then na me go come back for Don Prince. And Mama Ego, I will come hold and say, waiting happen to this lady. And I tell waiting me the linyaku. I go come back, come ask them say, waiting happen to this lady. Who do video where she watch? Which person platform she call into? Why did you allow her to contribute on your platform where it triggered the whole saga? Which business, which role you play for this woman's life? Were you a friend because of saga? Or you were a friend for family, friends? Or you were, okay. Yeah, in your wa. are in your wa. But me, why? I know one because I follow like I do. Hey, let's listen because I'm supposed to focus on the issue. How you take play your video, how not do the video, how not do. You see, I'm saying I never focus on that side. On in my way because this I've downloaded all of them. On in my way, that will be the last revenge I will do for that lady. I'm going to give her the real justice. Wariye Joy. Video of Mama Joy when me play yesterday. Mama Joy even talk and say, now because of say she and Frank not they play. Now she hold this woman for hand. Till they fight Frank. I did the video yesterday. If you never watch her, go and watch her. Yesterday was Mama Joy version. Now because of say she and Frank know they play. Now she hold this our beautiful late sister as a weapon against Frank. He can't use Frank against the weapon for the woman. Now understand? She was in the middle. If the woman throw come, she go throw and knock Frank. If Frank throw come, she go carry and go knock the late Abiewa. He said, Queen, please tell Abiewa family to go and call Abiewa spirit and ask her question. Then everything will be solved at yes. They will do that. They will do that. But Mama Joy with Don Prince needs to be questioned. And Mama Joy not even like Abiewa. Because Mama Joy get interest of maybe in one day Mama go where they did the same society. Make it go marry Frank. Because since when Mama Joy did this live video here, now say Mama go sleep with Frank. Did you see Mama Joy come and do one single video, half video, shortcut video, 2 seconds video? Somebody said, Don Prince is the one that yes, you don't talk on Nyongbe. Nyeviye Joy. They contributed 100%. They use that woman as a money tool, as a working tool against their own selfish interest. Even now, when the lady don't buy, they are not using the voice of that woman to build their platform. A platform they know fully well that it will never grow. A platform they know fully well that even if they play that woman audio from her, we don't know for 6 person way by. They go they play her voice. Person way don't buy my people. They go they play her voice. Everything way happen was online. People know what to take and what not to take. People know where truth today for this issue. Why still evolving the woman voice? The woman voice now where you they play. Una not see one better tangible something play. Una they play say the woman say, hey, Frank de la video, ukpono jona, ukpomeno, ukpomo jona we ya tie bome, ukpomo jona. Is that a evidence or is that a tangible something? Is that a tangible something? When una come they play, they repeat the woman voice. Now all those things una come they play. They make the woman feel say she don't do the worstest mistake of her life. We be say this woman not confident concentrate. Oriona is one affair. Cause ye jo aga tenini. Or what? Awiye jo when aga wiye jo anyway 1 week akbakara imuwe. Because ye jo is a human being with a touch of witchcraft. We are going to face ye jo we no ya gbono those nya mu camera ga wole kinye ke people snake gba wa. E pakara to muwe. We no wa be ugly ni ye joy. Any man asike. Ye joy aga go where we he e shocking ni e yan mu yo hori egbe. Especially say na they pretend una not love the woman. Yes na. They even that's the way they claim say they love you. They play a voice notes. When these people know fully well that it is a taboo. It's against our tradition. Our nedo. Or mano wuni. Udwa be voice away. It evil person where don't buy to put the person picture for Saga's video for bullying is bad. It is very bad. But they go put this woman picture. For people where they look, then you feel, oh, they fight for the woman. And no, they are dragging attention to their page, views. They want to make money for social media. They are using this innocent woman to make money. They are using this innocent woman to make views. If these people really get help, as they claim, why they not reach out to the family of this woman? Why they not talk to the family of this woman and say, ah, my sister, grandma, what one of the evidence is only mao. Genioma, and what my own issue, the family know everything that happened between me and she. No, the family was even involved. Not be something where they do for their back. They know as everything they start. I know how many times the sister begged me, say, Queen, we matter now. And this dumb priest, now I go tell the woman many things. So you might come with this. Me too, I lock up because why? Nothing lasts forever. I born, I move on. Then you think now you can come online to label me. When me they help, that's the time that woman was even close to me. Ama me one day what ya gwali winner. Ama me one day igo ya gwali winner. Okoni ma gwali winner. I winner bo. Ti winner bo my people. Walk Sarah. Walk Sarah. People where they talk about the business where the woman they do, where they call they talk. If you not listen to when Don Priest they talk about the woman where they work where the woman work, you go see and say na mama ego brother. Now I can use internet till they find work for the woman. So because of say na mama ego brother can help her find work. So make we leave and make it shop all the money where the woman make. Because the woman got the work, go work the work, give mama ego brother the money. Is that what you are trying to tell us? For you to come and tell us that you go no work one, you go a boy no gwali when I never set. A boy did not go gwali when a honey. A boyfriend did not get the love of who. A boyfriend did not get on a bow kind soft. Ne bow kind no more say. Ne beho kind. Where were our way without gwali when a ha no who your so-called lover, or one where we were love, or I more a family of oni, or Tiego, where they soldier barracking. When me away, ye if you were ye buy silly, ye move on huntato, uswanka. Umaka, ebanu can just sagiali we la John no no to wire webere. Oh, we are not the gwali winning a one day ni me. Eh? Say, Queen, please read my comment. Okay, I will try and do that. Oh, we are not going to win one day, one month working in me. Oh, we are carrying a phone or get your boy are going to win one day in me. Oh, we are not measure who winner. Who measure who winner? They are my vibe where my mama winner. Oh, Tavere no kasuwa, do boy kasuwa we besemo, dimo kavere, make besemo. E de son de mi an lumo me bukoni, wherever you know machine, we are hoy. Because my vibe ba also any also my vibe ba jinwina my vibe ba we mi ya. Abai we okbiane ju gbojogo. E je agbo to taye bedi. Omwe laptop you kegbe. We are gwi me gwale winner. Ugwa lopa gwa leva ugwale ha. Me wa we win ha. We may see never again a bunere egbe ya bunokwa. O boebo we kun visa boga hiae. O tiye gona wadi ona waya he workaholic. O tiye gona wadi ona waya he ona ya he workaholic. Oni okay o mano wini ha. Awa pe o wa vuiho omu ya kanto ti ego yen di Nigeria ni ado we marriage ni ado we mi ya vai na miege ogi akwo ho na ni edo ebie bia vanagi so why after otiyego that one where you do so even for you to look for 3 jobs online for that woman is a domestic abuse. Then when you go that thing you did is a domestic abuse. Do my way when Ohama mori di magbe kwera vijwe when na una vi wine ha okwo ne 30 years 40 years when na gwale wine ha ni no wina no do ya koko we koketun ya emeri edo so ye gbe pada iri yemi wo buwa uwa ate dori yen go meredo si yese ti kwera you wa ba iwe okpe ano so demi meredo so boye po iwa gbe ama yemi ro pade fo a e uwa na ku meredo si wa uwa di marry after we court marriage uwa te we no we court marriage ni ebo wa ebe mi ya no me ke no me wo Nigeria of you no one wa die. That was the target. Tu wa my character meredo si wa keri ari court we marriage. Wa character uwa te wa fi we ora iwe court marriage ni ne anything the woman get na the man get am. Uwa we court marriage ni ba. Meredo si ri wa we marriage ni oni na wa vie be ori ewe tan. Oni na wa dan fo ona do gbewe fo aye ewebo meredo si rije wa rita me meredo si we ugu modo when we are fie a court marriage when we order for we omi oku ove me amagbagbe amagbafa meredo si ma vie o ma vie property ne bo eni dayi ile bo na ebo oda bo ne bo na mai unwe go boni exist ebo na olupo boni yego ebo na olupo boni yego wa me ni tama meredo si na gbo welule na ove ni bo na mu evu meredo so ni italo gbeso medo aga ewe again ena emi yakwe de okay evi no si ene meredo si mona me justice meredo si la janve no we or anywhere we like me they go make I see the way they will take Canada and go America now. That court marriage I no go cut am. I no go cut any property where they get na me get am. Me we iyan yero akwo wa be ladian una wana te ye bogbe won who what ye book be we email so we don't know the side we those face or say only my justice but iye go watch you wa mi ogo na ona ere go no wa mi ekia e tragedy no esunu da wa iye go watch you o pe anu kan o me oni na wu nuke nu degbe o me ona oni iye na mi ekia de no tu we o ko no tu e ka o me o gita lo here the street me those o iwa here ni o wa ta lo here yo pare ye ba me no mi o obiye go watch you on that 2 months nu po give ania agwa le mi no gbe na iye go me video pa no ko pa oni wash owo wa ja mo ka owe today ori o me do a suspect ne we oye wa mu we ari amuka iye go oye wa mu we ari amuka o wa to tawa oye we are wo ma bege mi no sumu iye go emi no we so imege egwe mafia na mi woku aoni ya iye go anyway gbegbe my people oko no wa ti mi oda fun en kia face to face or we boy day to ma ve wa be ve yan me go sun o gbadu e iye go na wa bona ofu we mi ro pa sun no level you get it head come ask me when agwana ere go tori dade kia gbagbe ere go ma mi won sobu o te so ade la video titi ma ti gbina ne enene don prince no re muri ya yu gbogbo almighty gbina ere go na mi kere go come back Na church mama go dey go. Where my pastor me? Eh? Me they do say a 12 million is with Mama Ego. Mama Ego brother. We a target. We target my people. On a joking. Don't let the evil people deceive you. Eminia una iye go what you or do it. Na miotiga bia you wa. I don't want bia you wa muso beluwa. Iko bore na kuwa. Uwa because what ya borrow ego. Iko bore na gugwa beluwa mana yata me family ogen wa yaka. Osalo bwa wese ya segbe panti no de metita le ya gbabo. Bwa ya emi ya no de me live video na ke no de o ke no ma de live video me na tuwe ya kwa. Ima vie soleil owa jame or chun isa wewe iye jame. The evidence are all there. Una rio ikobo ohono wa $100 umata. $50 umata. Ike so amu we buwa ya ka give you time in like 2 days wado ya confess. Because a family log time with talking no the way. Emini ani di wo buwa ni hin. Iye go we tota ya gag gbigbi. Uwe tota ya gag gbigbi. Eti awoni mu pagbe wa gani eti we o. Because yes agani amu gbu we swim umudia. Usu agbe. Mame wana ya geba na o eti memi ni awe ye go. Wa wotun unigo oguwa. There's nothing like igo de guwa unigo guwa ye go. Wa ladian wa explain we. If you do me wa ya to. Igo ge no gbima. 90 million o. O tell me how they give family over day Friday. Only me only one. Or igo ge no gbima 70 million o. O tell me no pa we borrow boy. No pa we wa borrow wa ya ke no ma borrow. Wa sie koko wa de give family over. Ore nu we do love ya gambioni san go. Do am a very dark man dama. A justice in a very dark man sick we Nigeria e ma sick wo we bo wa measure we you go no go wa retun wa ya violate iye joint ye society cover we win tama we na e wa eva paso society na la ni ikuobe thank you my lady maso ikuobe ni we society na ne presenter uwa na me wata ni dem na wa mana society ni wa je no ga gbo wa uwa na when wa te matana e mate society nu wa mana ti ne ye joy if no see no na mwesa ga gyo ko na every day by day ya we do please society ni wa jeni o ki agbo wa uwa mana we setting la dia do ne ye go e matana mai cleo wa e se be matana uwa botu an se en we tamima uwe miere go kia ti tomorrow mai tamima we meje tamima be ya miere go kia e mato kona cannot be like a materego na mana me justice this so vieto e do sister manu ma is a gay or okay social media na or bloody en wa etas was one we don prince be joy ni o wa man greediness in muria mele lwa so ya so campaign ni ba e go dey play go dey show uwa do ka we do cyberspace na igo ko ni no guwa uwa vie ya lati why you give family ore gie o se unu wagahi o se unu e wagahi no we lati agbo ya tana we e woni or she was in love with a Frankie or woni love love iye go also ge Frank iye go love woni say anybody iye go love Frankie say anybody iye go ike motor o 10 million mune jane Frankie o ike mo 10 million jane Frankie love oseba e love oseba ugwe bed yen ivaga je bo motor ni Frank when I calculate go to ni keke 21 million plus ni away Frankie my people they know the difference abagbada wa soke ni ansele ne Frankie uwa re miamia nyesa gbada no pana devie iye go o wa love Frankie say my people iye wa ko wa pretend my lady say he said queen please don't stress honestly this is my job I talk for a living how can I be a presenter you wait stressing stressing I told you to tell my family to go and call yes they will do that They will do that. Yeah, they will do that. Why many time wana? Very important. Gani mama matana.
It come be 2 room. I call you that one of your room to do my office. As this video, then when I the other one room, I come my bedroom.
One of
I'm not explain. So people don't know what they are doing. Give Quinto show as in they want carry Quinto show go UK. Quinto show never tell you now.
Makara go back.
Quinto show go
Emegwalosin.
Now go the stay fake account.
Emegwalosin.
Not be to give me 24. May Queen Saga me now.
Okay, Makara go back where for your starter.
So people don't try to use talk to deceive people. My people.
So I will say ask my body response. Make it go along.
For do Sabbath space. People with the watch us. So people don't know what they are doing.
Okay. Well, damn you.
They say Queen Talk Show give you 24 hours to post the.
Oh, expire. No need.
Not be to give me 24 hours. May Queen Saga me now. Queen Talk Show. If you know, say you know, Saga me. May I come bring the.
My people, these boys, since when we don't they beat these boys, or I say 3 days. You never reach 3 days when we don't they beat these Don Prince. Why they pretend say no they see my video? The time when they hide, they cut my video, go they give that woman. I tell they see my video. He said if they want carry Queen go UK, now waiting concern you Don Prince. May you wait now. He say UK. Now UK in talk abi. Me say Canada. My people to go UK and Canada, which one cost pass? Yeah, we will gear. Every metal social media will repeat it. Ona meme. Ona zuo. I be not be waiting me talking, they talk so. Me wa mu ye Canada. But I said no. I even talking for live video. Even when the woman they alive, I still talking for live video. Say, nah, me say no. Say, I don't want. It may be, I may marry my people. It may be on my way body. I buy okay. Let me pack my family and go to Canada and be where for her. Eh? Yeah, because me, I dey take time before I go into relationship. Me the relationship 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. It's not my thing. Before I date, small I take it. I go the way boyfriend and girlfriend with like 5 years. By age, the Medina, Ike, do marry. The UK, the Canada. I told the woman there's no need to rush. Just patience. When I get married, I have children, I will go. Iyo bono ni who always say me by force. Trafficking. Who am I trafficking? It was a gift. It was the yobo. Abi, my people. I beg the president the woman time we waiting me we no borrow vegoa. Ni yari Canada abi UK. You said it before. Thank you. Every me wata ya repeat. Okay, he said promise I don't pray so can I go America? You know they gave me. Okay, let's listen to him very well. Now the best one.
They say Queen Talk Show give you 24 hours.
Did you let me say human being bad for this matter? But don't move no.
Be to give me 24 hours. May Queen Saga me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Queen Talk Show. If you know, say you know, Saga me. May I come bring the way this woman take carry money, give Queen Talk Show, as in they want carry Queen Talk Show go UK. Queen Talk Show never tell you now. Queen Talk Show go Queen Talk Show don't favor. If they not pay money, they want to carry UK. When matter me le jabie wa we the UK. And you send you go in wow, not be you are the sponsor that chop the money.
Yeah.
Queen Talk Show turn him wow. If Queen Talk Show feel come out, come swear, say this woman not spend money for this sponsor. We want carry Queen Talk Show go UK before. Make us swear only that one. I don't want to follow on to Saga.
Don Prince. Now let me tell you something. Listen to me. And listen good. It's a Queen Don Prince is watching you. I not say they watch me now. Don Prince, let me tell you something. If to say here, no, they pay you. I even talked this thing 3 days ago or before days ago. Now, wait till me talk you, they repeat. I I talk for this live video, say, the woman bring that money, big money. She say she won't carry me go Canada. She say she won't carry me go Canada. Now they hear me so. Now me say no. The trip was to somebody go come. I think from UK. They will drive motor. I'm not going to train. I'm not going to fly.